Hi everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial of the Animation Editor Pro series. This tutorial will show you how to create a short animation by combining a couple of existing animations. You'll learn techniques like adding transitions between actions and using displacement modifiers to move a model smoothly. First, let's add an editor strip using an existing action. Click the Add Editor Strip from Existing Action operator. Note that this operator will only show you actions compatible with the selected rig. Select the zombie walk animation and make sure to enable In Place. This prevents the rig from changing its location for this particular strip. We'll handle the movement separately. Now let's add a second editor strip for the sexy walk animation. Use the same operator, but this time, enable Add in the same track so the strip appears right after the zombie walk strip in the same track. Also, enable Add Transition to create a smooth blend between the zombie and sexy walk strips. Choose a medium time gap for the transition and enable In Place for this strip as well. Next, we'll add an editable editor strip. This means we can add new keyframes to it. Enable Add Displacement Modifier. This modifier is what will actually move our character forward along a chosen axis. Set a low speed for now. This part is for the zombie walk section. Let's add some repetitions to the sexy walk strip to make it longer. Click the strip and increase the animation repeat value. Take note of the new start and end frames displayed for the strip. You can rename any strip by double-clicking its name. Keep in mind that this also renames the underlying action associated with it. Let's rename the strip with the displacement modifier to Zombie Displacement. Now select the Zombie Displacement strip and enable Custom Action Frame Range. Set its action end frame to frame 141, which is slightly before the sexy walk strip begins. This ensures the zombie displacement covers the entire zombie walk and the transition period leading into the sexy walk. See how this zombie displacement strip now spans both the zombie walk and the transition strip? Perfect. Let's add another editable editor strip, again enabling Add Displacement Modifier. This strip will handle the forward movement for the sexy walk part. Set its start frame to match the start frame of the sexy walk strip. Finally, set a speed slightly higher than the zombie walk speed. Let's double check if the frame ranges of the sexy walk strip and this new displacement strip match. Looks like they don't yet. Select the new displacement strip, enable Custom Action Frame Range, and set the action start and action end frames to exactly match the sexy walk strip's frame range. Be careful, changing the action frame range might automatically adjust the strip's start-end frames, so always double-check that everything lines up correctly. Let's rename this second displacement strip to Sexy Displacement. Time to see our animation in action. Notice how the sexy walk animation starts at the wrong location. It jumps forward unexpectedly. Let's fix that. Select the sexy displacement strip, click the Calculate Linear Offset operator, voila. No more jumping forward, that's much better. We now have our basic combined animation sequence. Let's extend the sexy walk a little further. This highlights a key strength of Animation Editor Pro. It frequently eliminates the need for detailed graph editor adjustments. In this situation, we simply increase the repeat count on the sexy walk strip, note the new end frame, and then input that value into the sexy displacement strip. That wraps up this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope this has inspired you to experiment with combining animations using Animation Editor Pro. Don't forget to check out the other tutorials in this series for more tips and techniques. Now it's your turn to experiment and see what you can create with Animation Editor Pro. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.